Hello everyone, my name is Marian Fortuny Moreno and today I'm going to talk about sex and age-related degenerative change in the thoracic spine. I will explain how the thoracic spine changes over time and how men and women experience degeneration differentially. Study objective. The thoracic spine undergoes degenerative change as part of aging. These changes include disc degeneration, facet joint osteoarthritis, bone mineral density loss, and reduced mobility. Sex and age strongly influence how fast and how severely degeneration occurs. Women, especially after menopause, degenerate faster than men. The goal is to understand how sex and age affect thoracic spine degeneration. Methodology: the analysis is based on four scientific articles that use MRI to study disc and vertebrae, CT and QCT to measure bone mineral density, cadaveric dissections to measure vertebral height and structure, biomechanical tests to evaluate spinal flexibility. These methods allow comparison between men versus women and young versus older adults. Key findings: bone and disc difference by sex. Men have generally larger vertebral bodies and higher bone mineral density. Women experience faster bone density loss, especially after menopause due to hormonal change. This accelerated decline in women leads to more rapid degeneration in the disc and vertebrae. Age-related degeneration patterns. Degeneration starts early as young as the 20s. Men degeneration progresses slowly and gradually. Women have a sharp increase in degeneration around 40-50 years, coinciding with menopause. In the thoracic spine, degeneration causes regress spinal flexibility, structural and functional impact, disc age regress, disc loss irritation, and osteophytes may form. This change reduces mobility and can cause pain. The rib cage supports the thoracic spine and restricting movement, but also potentially worsening disc issues by limiting flexibility. All four articles study how the thoracic spine degenerates with age and how men and women are affected differentially. Leaves focus on this degeneration and shows that even mild damage reduces spine mobility. Asai compares men and women finds that women lose disc age faster, especially after menopause. Ruling studies bone mineral density loss and shows that women experience quicker bone loss with age, and the Spanish article looks at facet and costovertebral joints and shows more change in older adults, especially in women. Overall, all studies agree that degeneration increase with age affects multiple structures like disc, vertebrae, and facet joints, and progresses faster in women after age 50. Clinical implications: women may need gentle, hormonal sensitive rehab. Men may benefit from mobility, focus, and low tolerance approach. Early detection is essential because mild degeneration already affects function, and best strategies include chiropractic adjustment, postural rehab, strength and flexibility training, and osteoporosis prevention in women. Now, recommendations and conclusions. Thoracic degeneration is unavoidable but not equal for everyone. Sex and age are major determinants of how degeneration progresses. Women, especially post-menopause, are at higher risk and progress faster. Personalized treatment and early prevention improve long-term outcomes, and understanding this difference helps medicines design better rehab plans. And the reference. Thank you very much.